Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, not your ordinary accountants, and these are our tidbits of the day. And today I want to talk to you about your debtors and your invoicing looking forward to the 30th of June. Now, as all those people out there who are on an accruals basis know, that any debtors that I have as at the 30th of June are included in my financial statements and therefore in my tax return. If I've got anybody in that list who are shaky or doubtful or even worse, bad, then I should make sure that they are written off and out of my system by the 30th of June. Now the tax department says that if they are written off, they need to be written off properly out of your system. Now that doesn't mean you can't keep chasing them, you can't have handed them off to the debt collector, but as far as your tax records go, they need to be out of your system on the 30th of June. Now, if we look at that as a system for making sure that what we're doing to be ready for the 30th of June, if I, rather than date an invoice the 30th of June, I date it the 1st of July, it ends up in next year. So if I'm sitting there looking at my year-end billing, and we do this at Banks Consultancy, we bill on the last day of the month. If I were to bill those last day of the month ones on the 1st of the next month, then that carries forward into the next financial year where that date is the 30th of June. So it's one way of deferring income into later years if that's a necessary strategy that you need to look at this particular time. Now if you want to talk to anybody about any of these sorts of strategies, please contact us here at Banks Consultancy and we'll walk you through what you need to do at this particular time of the year to make sure that your balance sheet is as clean as possible so that the effect on the bottom line or your taxation position is the least possible problem that you will face in 2015. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy and we are not your ordinary accountants.